안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hello everyone, this is Taeyeon and welcome to 123 Kimchi. So today I'll be making tomato kimchi. Although the kimchi that we know of is mainly known for its fermentation, the kimchi that we're going to make today, tomato kimchi, is more like a fresh salad that you eat right away. You can serve it as a refreshing appetizer or with a bowl of salad, or even as a side dish to accompany your summer grilling. Also, what's good about it is that this is the type of kimchi that doesn't require you another trip to the Asian market. If you have just basic Korean sauce ingredient like gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, then you can get rest of the ingredients from your local grocery store. So, shall we look at the ingredients first? I found these beautiful tomatoes at the farmer's market last weekend. I prefer the small tomatoes for tomato kimchi because I can just serve one to each person. I don't have to cut it or anything. Cut off the bottom end so it would stand inside a bowl or on a plate. Core with the melon baller. Give about 4 incisions so that it would make 8 pieces. Make sure you don't cut it all the way down till the end. Sprinkle a little pinch of salt in between the incisions, so the openings will get wider as the tomato gets salted. You will need about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for all 5 tomatoes. Radish. I'm using daikon radish, but you can use turnip, kohlrabi, or even watermelon radish. Just try to use the available ingredient that you have. If you are using daikon radish, try to use the greener part for fresh kimchi and salad as it has less bite and bitterness than the white parts. Cut it into 3 centimeters or an inch length juliennes, thin matchsticks. And now the Asian leek. I'm going to use the whiter part. If you can't find the Asian leek, use the green onion, but also only use the white part. They taste almost the same. I'm going to julienne cut this into thin strips. We only need about 1 tablespoon of this. And now here we have the coriander leaves or cilantro. Coriander leaves will add the refreshing taste to kimchi and also accentuate the flavors of tomatoes. Use both stems and leaves, cut it into 3 centimeter or an inch length. And for the kimchi seasoning, mince the garlic, 1 clove, smash with the knife, and chop finely. So now we're going to make the kimchi stuffing and stuff it into the tomato. So let's start by making the stuffing. In a mixing bowl, Add julienned radish and gochugaru, the Korean chili flakes, together. Color the radish with chili flakes by sort of massaging them together. Once the radish looks more red, then add coriander leaves, julienned Asian leek, minced garlic, fish sauce, lemon juice, and lemon zest. And mix them together. Now the tomato is a bit salted and we can open between the incisions. Stuff in the kimchi stuffing, but be careful not to tear your tomato apart. Decorate with lemon zest on top of the tomato. And finally, garnish beautifully with the coriander leaves. Ta-da! Tomato kimchi, here they are. So refreshing and perfect for summer days. You can serve tomato kimchi right away like this, or if you want to have more well-rounded taste, wrap them individually and store them in a container and put them into the fridge for about 1 to 2 days, and you'll get more well-rounded and also a stronger umami taste. If you liked my recipe and video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!